I just woke up in my village in Macingwane, and today I'm just having my breakfast. So the other day I had sour porridge, and today I'm just having plain porridge, which is made out of maize meal, and I'm having it with some lemon. So I picked these fresh. These are organic lemons. I'll show you the tree just over there, so you could just go over there, pick it from the tree and have it fresh. And what you do, you just squeeze your lemon in your porridge, and if you want you can add honey instead of sugar. So I just put a little bit of sugar, and today I'm just having my maize meal porridge with a bit of lemon. I'm going to show you all the different types of porridge that I'm going to have while I'm here. So this is my second one after the sour porridge that I had the other day. So let's have a bit of a taste of this organic porridge. And the other thing, I love that it was made from an open fire, so it has that extra flavor that, you know, it tastes totally different when you make it on an open fire. So let's have a bit of a taste. Really nice, it tastes delicious. Honestly, I'm going to gain so many pounds whilst I'm here, but I'm going to make the most of it. All organic, no additives, just how I like it. Today is the first day and I'm just taking a walk. Nature! Come on, let's go. And I have to cover my shoulders, of course, it's too hot. Last time I actually had sunburn, but I think it's because we went hiking, so we were high up on the mountain, so I had a lot of sunburn, which I never have, so I have to cover my shoulders. It's quite warm, and this is exactly what I wanted, because I was complaining that it's winter here and it was only 18 degrees a couple of days ago, but I think it feels high 20s, early 30s, which is just perfect. So, and remember the fence, guys, from Mr Moyo. Hopefully we'll see him. I know you guys absolutely love him, so yeah. See you. Okay, see you later. That's the good part of it. It's how it should be. Exactly, we're in Africa. Africa.
It's part of Empandeni mission.
Okay.
This is the paddock from this this side you go to
How far is it?
It's about Empandeni mission is about
From here?
Can we say 20-25 kids?
Okay.
That's it.
Interesting. Okay. So we finally came to surprise Mr. Moyo, but unfortunately he wasn't in. We did spend some time with his wife and his kids, which was so lovely. We'll probably come back and look for him tomorrow. We just wanted to surprise him. He didn't know we were actually coming. Just walking back, I forgot to actually check my step counter, but I'm sure we did at least 10,000 steps, which is what I aim to do every day. And it was such a nice, lovely walk just to be out in nature, and it was such a nice sunny day. We actually have solar power, so we can actually cook with the stove. We also have a gas stove, but whenever I'm around, I prefer to actually have food that's been cooked over an open fire. I don't know, I just feel like it always tastes different. We are having some renovations done in one of the buildings, so we are having this parapet installed and the roof has been redone. There'll be plastering and painting. Finally having my lunch, which I prepared myself over an open fire, and I am thoroughly enjoying it. I enjoyed it so much that I had to actually take my hat off as I was eating. It must be delicious. Mr. Menz is sitting over there and eating, and I can hear his son in the background as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification. Make sure you comment.